Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creative Castle. Today we are going to make decoupage coasters. For this purpose I have bought the Decoupage Coasters Kit from Amazon. I will be sharing the link to buy this kit in the description. So I got Modge Podge and white acrylic color, paintbrush, decoupage napkins or papers, and coasters. They were 4 in number inside the kit. Now for starting, I have applied the white acrylic color as the base color on the coasters. We have to apply 2 coats of the white color for uniformity. Cut the decoupage napkin accordingly. Now apply the layer of the Modge Podge over the coaster. Shear the decoupage paper and paste it over the coaster gently. Let it dry and then give a final touch of Modge Podge again as the top coat for the protection. The coaster is ready for use. Hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.